If you would like to see how I transformed my hair to this mind-blowing illusion soft lock crochet, then keep on watching. Hi, my name is Maris and you're welcome to Astera Beauty. Here we share tips on how to maintain our hair and braid on a low budget. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, I part the front part of the hair to give it that natural braid look. I put it in a twist to keep the hair soft for some time. Then I went ahead to part the back. I parted the back and cut into 3 sections for the back and braided the hair with my natural hair. Then after braiding for some time, I twist the base. This is optional if you desire to braid to the end. Then went to the front and started parting the hair. As you can see, enjoy the process. When I got to this point, I could see that using one line, I cannot achieve that natural braid look I was trying to achieve. So I did another line using the brick method of making braids. So you can see that. So I started making cornrows at this point, and I made some on the right hand side. Then I made the others on the left. But before I start any of the cornrows, I often comb the hair to ensure it is soft for weaving the cornrow. Then went ahead to join the both together, the ends. I usually tuck in the tips before I start each of the hair, as you can see. This hair is called Lush. It's a Lush product. Usually before I make any crochet, I usually count to avoid story that touch. I don't want to have half hair done. It was about 28 or 29. So this is how I do my own hair. I put my hair in the loop, not putting the loop in between the hair. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'll show you as you go along. So I put it in the loop, fuse the hair because it's slightly long, in between the base of the hair, and drag it out before I start wrapping. Usually you use kinky for the wrapping process, but I didn't have kinky at home at this point, and I really wanted to make the hair. I can't wait for orders and time for it to come. So I used part of the hair. I cut those ones that are not looking very nice, cut it into 2 sections, then I unravel it, and that was what I am using to wrap. Now after wrapping it, sometimes some are still sticking out. If you notice any of that, you can take it and use it to wrap, as you will see me do here. Right. So let's go over the process again. Put your extension in your hook. Pull the hair in between the crochet, hook in the base of your hair, pull the hair out, then wrap the hair. So we wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap, and look at it. The beauty about this hair, because you don't need to do braid, whenever you just wrap the hair at the base, your face starts coming out. The hair starts coming out so beautiful. And that is what we are experiencing here. So the bulk of the work is this part, but the rest is so sweet. Putting it in those cornrows, I was looking forward to that time. So this is how I get the extension for wrapping. I cut the hair at the beginning and cut into two, then unravel before I continue, and I wrap it. When I got to this point, I could feel the hair that no, this hair is going to look very beautiful. So at this point, I could see that it's coming out exactly just the way I wanted it. When I packed it up, I could see everything. So this is the moment we've been waiting for, crocheting in the cornrow. And the good thing about this hair is that it has a big loop and it's so easy to install. It also has a tiny end that make it easy to pull through the loop and get to the bottom, just the way you see me do here. So you put your hook, collect the extension, pull the tip because it's thin through the So all of this hair is just one bundle. There are 3 bundles. I've just been using one bundle for the whole of this. And so I'm using the second bundle now. So add the crochets. It's very easy because the tip is tiny and the loop is big. So you just put it inside, take the hair in the loop and drag down. And that is it. So easy. So look at the hair. You can pack it any way you desire. Will you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.